Wait! A magic cactus just started pouring.
These slapstick cartoon animation videos are absolutely taking over YouTube and TikTok right now, and some creators are getting insane numbers with them. And here's what makes this niche even better. These funny cartoon stories keep viewers watching until the very end because they always want to see what happens next. And the best part? This niche can absolutely be monetized on YouTube, and I'm going to show you the proof along with the estimated monthly revenue. Take a look at this channel. They've already grown to nearly 4.9 million subscribers just by posting slapstick cartoon animation videos like these. And this one video alone crossed over 10 million views. And many of their other videos have also reached millions of views. But here's the part that really caught my attention. According to vidIQ, this channel is estimated to be making around $46,000 per month. But let's verify that with another source. According to Social Blade, this channel is estimated to be making up to $160,000 per month and somewhere between $58,000 and $935,000 per year. And remember, those are only estimates. Imagine what the actual numbers could look like. So this clearly proves one thing. This niche has huge viral potential right now. And the best part? Most people still have no idea how these videos are actually made. So today, I'm going to show you the exact workflow step by step. Let's jump right into it. And don't forget to like the video if you find it helpful. This method, we're going to use ChatGPT, but not in the way most people do. I spent a lot of time testing different prompts, and this is the one that consistently gives me the best slapstick cartoon animation story ideas. If you want a copy of the prompt, comment "prompt" below and I'll send it to you. Now let me show you how it works. Simply copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and click Generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT creates 10 different cartoon story ideas you can use immediately. But that's not even the best part. It also generates the image prompt and video prompt for all 5 scenes automatically. So most of the creative work is already done for you. For this tutorial, I'm choosing idea number 2. Now ChatGPT has generated everything we need. As you can see, we have 5 scenes, and each one already comes with its own image prompt and video prompt. First, copy the image prompt for scene 1, then open Google Flow and click New Project. Choose Image 9:16, 1x, and Nano Banana 2. Paste the prompt and hit Generate. After a few seconds, the image is ready. And honestly, the quality already looks incredibly realistic. It honestly looks like a frame from a professionally animated cartoon. Now click Add to Prompt. This keeps the exact same art style for the next image. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt for scene 2. Return to Flow, paste it, and hit Generate. Once it's finished, click Add to Prompt again. Then repeat the exact same process for all 5 image prompts. I'll generate the remaining images and come right back. Now it's time to turn those images into a full cinematic cartoon animation. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for scene 1. Head back to Google Flow, select the first image and click Animate so Flow uses it as the starting frame. Now choose Video, Frames, 9:16, 1x, OmniFlash, and 6 seconds. Paste the prompt and hit Generate. Wait until the render is finished. Then repeat the exact same process for all 5 video prompts. I'll quickly generate scene 2 with you so you can see exactly how the workflow works. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for scene 2. Head back to Flow. Open the image for scene 2. Click Animate. Paste the prompt, then hit Generate. Now I'll finish the remaining scenes and come back. Once everything is ready, simply combine all 5 videos using any editing software like CapCut. All right, the complete video is ready. And honestly, I wasn't expecting it to look this good. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Check this out. Smooth camera movement, funny cartoon animations, cinematic action, amazing visual details. And the crazy part? Everything was generated entirely by AI in just a few minutes. This is exactly why videos like these are blowing up across YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels right now. And here's the really crazy part. You can repeat this exact workflow over and over again. Different prompts, different cartoon characters, different storylines, different comedy scenarios, unlimited videos.